So one of our goals on the development side with Restoring 1A is to always set a new bar in a neighborhood. I mean, that's just our nature because of the type of work that we do and these radical transformations. So, we make the functional upgrades and we make huge design changes and floor plan changes where people can't even recognize the house. And in doing that, we're able to reset the market to the top number. And it's a good result for our investors. It's a good result for us from a marketing standpoint for Studio 818, for the neighbors, for the neighborhood, because it brings up values and it encourages.
We talk to the neighbors a lot because we're here for like months at a time, right? And they're always watching the progress of our projects, and they're always like giving us a pat on the back, like thank you. They're usually calling towards the end, asking, "What are you going to list it for?" So we've done a lot of houses in a small little pockets, and we really try and transform the area.
The transformation that we did for this project. This room, this used to be the old sitting room, and now we've actually converted it into the house's dining room. And what we typically do with all of our projects is we change the floor plan such that you have a direct shot of the pool right when you walk through the front door. A lot of people really love that for Florida living. So we fixed that problem here with a closed-off kitchen, and now you have a direct shot from the front door to the pool, but you also have this wall here to separate and give the homeowner privacy. We're walking through what used to be the old breakfast area of the kitchen, right outside of the room that used to be the kitchen. And so we opened up the kitchen quite a bit, as you can see, to have it more open to the living room. There used to be an old Florida room just beyond the kitchen, and we've converted that into living square footage and combined the two spaces for that open concept floor plan. I design my kitchens for my spec homes the same way that I would if it was my own home. So I really love entertaining and cooking and having people over. And I like to have everybody sort of in the same room. And I think that a lot of people would agree with me that the open concept floor plan is important when it comes and it's conducive to entertaining. So I try to always do some sort of island, oversized island, so that if you have people over, people can be standing at the stool. The host is cooking, prepping stuff, and it'll also, as a mother, it's great to be able to get dinner ready and have the kids playing in the living room in an eye shot. So we try to do that with all of our homes. So I really love these old Florida floor plans where they have an old master suite, which has a bathroom inside of the master suite. But for current living, these master suites are probably a little too small. So being able to transform a floor plan by adding a master on the other side of the house to give it that split floor plan that we like to do, it leaves a beautiful guest room, nice spacious guest room with that your guests have their own bath, which is a really great feature and selling point. I love having the guests being able to have their own domain on the other side of the house. So in this bathroom, we didn't change the footprint all too much, but we just gave it a nice little update and give it a fresh look. Okay, we're walking into what used to be the old family room, which was a room set off the side from the Florida room, and we converted it into the new master suite. Added a bath. There used to be 2 windows overlooking the pool area. We've converted that into sliding glass doors, give you direct access to the pool, but also bringing in a lot of natural light. We also had a window on the opposite side where the bed is now. However, this room did get bigger, so it would not be centered. So the decision was made to get rid of that window and let the sliders really be the natural light for this room. In the master suite, this is where we add value. We added this bathroom opposite of what is the hallway bathroom. This used to be actually a bedroom, and we've taken over the bedroom for a larger master suite and closet, and this brand new master bath with a double vanity sink. custom mirror and marble mosaic tile on the floor and shower, champagne bronze finishes really make this bathroom feel like a spa retreat. This is a typical bathroom that you see in most Florida homes. You've got the yellow tub, the yellow toilet, and the yellow sink. So we didn't change the footprint all too much. We just updated the finishes, made it a lot brighter with white mosaic tiles and this beautiful navy blue custom vanity. So from the back, you can see the complete transformation of this house. What used to be windows, small windows in the back, have now been converted to sliding glass doors. So that whole outdoor living space, extending the living area to the outside, is really important to us because Floridians really like to enjoy the outside area, their pool area. This pool is actually original to the house. We updated it. There was not really pavers, as you can see, around the pool, or they were outdated pavers. But the shape of the pool is the same. We added a sun shelf, which is just a little shallow portion with an umbrella stand, the ability to stand an umbrella so that you can just stay in the shallow end on a hot summer Florida humid day.
We talked about this the other day. We try to rebuild these homes. This home has been here for 60 years, 60 or 70 years, and we're trying to rebuild it to be here for another 60 years before somebody else comes in. So this is not just a surface thing, make it look pretty just for the interim. We're trying to build something that is going to last with the family long term.